What's going on YouTube? It's me, and today we're gonna be looking for a new CTF from TryHackMe. So we're calling it Airplane, and it's really different CTF. So we're gonna be learning here too many things new. If you're ready, let's get starting fastly. So as always, we are starting here with mmap scan, and we saw here there's 20 port is open on the which one is working on SSH, and we got it here on the web server, and which one is working on 80,000 port. There's another port it's already is open, so as we can call it right now dash p on the 6048. So let's get starting with here airplane TryHackMe on the 80,000 port, and we get it here directly is page index.html. So then we can thinking here it could be here potentially LFY. So let's checking for example etc and passwd, and we can successfully upload here etc passwd is over here. So but it's not look like normal LFY. There is a meaning to be this port is open here, so we need to be check here something different. So let's checking for sublimenote.txt, and we are working on this IP addresses, and there's an 3 port is open. So let's wait it till this end. Then after this ends, we will get here something important is actually. So I don't know why it's not working, so let's check it out. So anyway, it's working here on this port, it's TCP, and then there's working x11, but it's not working here x11. To be understanding it, we need to be some enumeration. Then we can check it here proc self and environment. So why we are checking here proc self environment, so you will be getting here something important at proc. Then as you know, proc is always working for how it's actually work files. And let's add here one more time, and then we can for example open here let's check it, and then at the environment, then you will be getting here like that. Yes, so cat is environment here, and then it will be give you some information about the system. And we are just got here there's a user, it's working on hood zone, and then we are just got here this page working for hood zone. So what we can do right now, so if there's running some web server, so maybe we can get here some file for this web server. For example, is the most important one is app.python. For example, it could be to be understanding it, we need to be checking here cmedia line like that. So then it will be giving us a cmedia line. So let's check it on my system, and then cat cmedia line will give you python 3 app.python is over here. So we are just getting here that is working is python, and that's working on app.python. So we will successfully uploaded here app.python, but it's looks like there is nothing important anymore. Then it's because this web application there's nothing interesting. So it's just we got it here. Yeah, there's an you know it's basic LFI is over here. Just we are just now. But we are trying to be understanding it why it's working here and why it's working on here this port, and what does it mean. So after analyzing, it's not working on x11, but we're gonna be show you this. Yeah, there is working on the 40 and the 6048. Yeah, there is an x11, but there is no working on an x11. So I think it's important things to hear where you can check it the TCP ports on the Linux. So for example, you can go here proc net and RPC, and then it's actual TCP or RPC, which one you want to be try first. It will be give you open ports, and which ports is open and how they decrypt the ports is over here. So after we upload here TCP, so let me actually not actually get it here, I want to do it here. Let's check it here. TCP is over here. So after checking here the TCP, and then you will be see here the old ports number and what to be you have to be know. If the port its number, it will be giving on this UID is like that. So if it's giving the UID 1001, so it means it's working on this system. So for example, let's check it at this one, and then it's look like something decryption. So let's go for CyberChef, for example, and then what it's gonna be Caesars. So let's checking for given this. So it's look like nothing giving us. So let's checking for this on the system, and then you will be see here these are converter as a hexadecimal. And then if you're converted it, and you will be seeing here there's an 80,000 port, and we already know there's an 80,000 port on the web server. So let's checking for here a second one, which one is equal that. And if you go here again right now and then converted it, then it will be show you, yeah, there's a 6048 port is already open. So that is really cool. But the important things to hear, it's actually how they converting in the TCP system. So we know they are using here hexadecimal, right? So you need to be check it here, proc ID and CMD line for understanding it the system. But to be before they do this, actually you have to be do which ID is working here. So you cannot, for example, give you here, for example, this one. Then it's because they are using here hexadecimal to be saved it. So you need to be coded Python is over here. So I already coded before, and I'm just giving this one, and the fuzzing is over here. But before they do this, 1 to 1001, you have to be converted it on response with this hexadecimal. So why you need to be give this before. So then after you run it, then you will be understand everything is over here. Then everything running on the proc ID. So you need to be finding here the OR port. So after that all on the v1 here, OR port is open is over here, and then it's not equal to x1. So there's a running GDB server. So then after you go here GDB server on the hack tricks, then you will be see here how you can exploit it. So you can exploit it with creating this with MSF Venom the elf file, and then to be send it on the system and then run it successfully. So let's actually do it. I want to be give this. You just need to be change your IP addresses. Let me give mine. Right. Okay. It's over here. So and which port if you're actually running here. So you may want to be give here ANCAT listener. Great. Let's do GDB binary F as like that. So you will be successfully created here with this GDB binary F, and then we have to be give it our first or target. So as you know before, our target is working on this port, and this port, and our target is equal here airplane.TryHackMe. So you have to be give it this first is over here. Okay, let's give it. Right, so what we have to be do fast and remove this put binary file is over here. It depends you on what you want to be actually do it. For example, I want to do it on TMP file. It's because for the maybe you have no permission to other ports. So let's give this on the TMP, and after that's all, we can run it with Versely, then can get shell on our system right now. So what we have to be do fast and sat remote here. Let's give them first the sat remote on this where we are actually doing. We are do it on the TMP, and let's give this successfully added, and then remove it please, and then the last part you have to be just run it. So let me run it. Yes. So we are get the shell here successfly, and then let me run it here id, and we are actually Hudson right now. Let me run it here python 3 import putty.spawn and binary dash. Okay, let me export term, which term is equal here x term row and echo, and then run it here sudo dash l fastly. Let's checking for any file for us. There is no sudo dash l working, so let's checking for fastly find dash type f dash perm dash u equal to s 2 is larger than developer and null. So there's already we found here find, so it means we can use it. So we just need to be go here gov.binary, gov.binaries, which one is here. All right, so let's looking for find, and it depends what you want to be do here. For example, in the suite, so you have to be run this. Let's run this, but I think we need to be do before ls-la user binary find. It's over here, yes, and we can just need to be give this here successfully. Then you can do here exec and then quit. So after you say here ID, and you will be get here EU ID as Carlos. So let's go for here, and then I think we can go here home and cd Carlos ls, and then we got it here user.txt successfully. But there is no Python 3 is working, and we need to be give here SSHK generator. So let's SSHK generator for creating ID RSI, and then giving here the passphere, and then just give it here ID RSI pop, and we need to be send it successfully. So let me do it. It's actually over here. We need to be run it with echo like that. Then just give this and then save it on home Carlos SSH and authorize it case. So let's send it, and need to be ch mode it for sure. So let's see. Alright, so after that ch mode my ID RSI is over here, and then let's see if it's gonna be work right now. We just need to be giving here passphere, which passphere is actually set it here, and we got it here Carlos successfully. So let's checking for here sudo-l maybe work, and then we got it here user binary ruby is working right now. Let's checking for if it's on the ruby, it's over here, and then yes, it's over there. Yep, so we can do here sudo right now, and then it depends how you want to be do this. For example, it's not accept to you be do like that. It's because there is no binary shell is working for us, so we are just ruby with this giving on the ruby file. So let's say echo and then exec and give it here binary bash directly, then save it on tmp shell.ruby. Then I think we can run it right now sudo user binary and tmp shell.ruby. For sure there's no sudo, right? And you will be see here your root successfully, and you got it here root.txt. And that was all things where we actually learned here, and that was really cool, and thank you for watching.